Alright guys, welcome back. I got a request from one of the subscribers and he asked me to do Ethereum. Well, I do hold Ethereum definitely in my current portfolio as well. So as you can see from the charts on the monthly, it's kind of forming into a head and shoulders in some way over here. But this is too early to tell. So let's get straight into the chart and see what we got. So I've already done a couple of diagrams and like just familiar patterns. So over here, what you can see, we were having a wave up, we pushed, we broke all the way to the upside, but then after the news broke of the Bitcoin ETF being approved, so as you know, buy the rumor, sell the news, and exactly that's what happened. But now since we come down to this point all the way down to 193892 and then we bounce back up, but we still kind of getting rejected just over here. Well, as you can see, it's broken below this pattern, it's coming back for the retest and looks clearly like we're going to go down to 185595. This is not financial advice, so just be cautious. I'm only giving you off the data what's showing. The stock RSI is looking pretty high on the 4-hour chart, so let's just jump straight to the 8-hour and see what's going on. Like you can see over here, it's very high at the moment. Let's go straight to the daily. Big differences, but now you can see a huge engulfing candle over here. Normally when this happens, when you see something like this, like you can see a flag and it's broken below the flag and it's come over here for the retest, it just pumps right back down. So it's like here comes to the retest and then comes like that. It'll come back for the retest. So that's how much of a drop. Let's get a technical target on this one. Okay, just wait. Let's go back. Let's get a clear technical target and see if we do move to the downside, how much we can move. And will we break the technical target as well, is another thing. So let's keep it all the way from here. Oh boy, look at that. It's exact to what I have drawn previously. Wow. So the technical target is looking like it's going to even break through that other support point. It'll come back to something called like a demand zone, which is somewhere around here, I believe. Maybe a consolidation might happen. Let's move to the weekly and see the larger time frame, because Ethereum always check the larger time frames. Oh, as you can see over here, normally with this type of a pattern, we got an indicator right in the middle over here, right in the middle over here, stating that the market doesn't know whether to go up or down. And then after that, this happens. So this is like kind of like a reversal happening right over here. The only next candle after this, now we'll get to know on the weekly once the new one forms. But this is a clear indication that it's going to move towards the downside. That's a huge engulfing candle. Like, look at that. That's a huge engulfing candle. It looks like it's going to pump towards the downside, but that'll take some time to play out. So you still have some time before this actually plays out. If we do manage to still break back in and consolidate over here, well, that's highly likely, but check out the stock RSI. You have a opportunity most probably to come back down. For now, it's just this much, not too much, because on these larger time frames, especially for Ethereum, it plays out this way. And on the weekly, we are too high, as you can see. This definitely is going to come down. This is not financial advice. Please be careful and have a good one. Peace.